If you have a garden or lawn, you need to water it regularly. A good quality tripod sprinkler can do this and you can save a lot of time. We will guide you to get the best quality tripod sprinkler which is perfect for lawn and garden. Orbit 62120 Enforcer Motion Activated Sprinkler for Garden. 120-degree smart sensor with night only, day only and always on activation modes. 35 feet adjustable impact sprinkler and 30 minutes timed watering setting. Over 7,500 activation cycles on just 4 AA alkaline batteries. Stable metal tripod extends the unit up to 54 inches to allow for adjustment. Rainbird 2.5 Pjdac brass impact sprinkler. Made with brass, bronze, and stainless steel that lasts longer than typical zinc sprinkler. Easy to install and adjust with 360 degrees or part circle from 20 degrees to 340 degrees. High gallonage output, half-inch male pipe thread connection. Adjustable deflector flap adjusts spray distance from 20 feet to 41 feet radius. Summerland brass impact tripod sprinkler for garden and lawn. Featured with heavy-duty brass impact head adjustable from 0 to 360 degree. It can cover up to 5,000 square feet. You can adjust the metal tripod from 16 to 37 inches for maximum coverage. It comes with 3 years warranty. Gilmore adjustable circular tripod sprinkler. This sprinkler can cover up to 8,500 square feet. Its telescoping tripod reaches height of 58 inches. Adjustable collar for partial to full circle coverage. Easy to use dials for customizing direction and length of spray. Melner 65066 AMZ metal pulsating sprinkler. Its metal tripod can be extendable up to 48 inches high to water from above. It can cover up to 85 feet diameter of large area. Durable all-metal pulsating head adjusts to water where you need it. Quickly connect and disconnect the sprinkler with an included Quick Connect product adapter. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product's description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell to get notification our new videos.